What's up guys, Shu here, and in today's video I got something new and that is really freaking me out, that I now have 56 subscribers. And I was like, dude, I had 100, and that was really creeping me out. But I don't know why like 50 people unsubscribed to me, and maybe it was a glitch or something, but and I'm lagging here. Maybe it was a glitch, maybe not, but I don't really know. And I just want to say, like, why the hell don't I have 100 subscribers? Like what the hell, guys? That's really freaking me out. And yeah, like, really, guys, that's it for this video. But I had to tell you this. But my videos don't like my subscribers, like 50. How did 50 subscribers just unsubscribed? Like, I have 56 subscribers now. Like, that's 50 subscribers. Let's say 50 subscribers unsubscribed. Like, what the freaking hell? What the freaking hell? And that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to this channel. That really means to me. Gabriel, come, say hi. He's just playing like FIFA on my Xbox, and it's like, hi. And thank you guys for just subscribe, like, share. Shut up. And see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.